Hey everyone, welcome back to the cabin. It's been a while. I haven't posted a video in a while, and I actually haven't been up here for, I don't know, 6 weeks maybe. It's first weekend in June, and we came up last night, got settled in. It was pretty late, and I actually got up early this morning and went fishing for a little bit, caught a couple fish, and drove around through Cook Forest State Park. This is normally when the mountain laurel's blooming, but we're either too late or too early. I think we might be too early because it wasn't very good. But we drove through the fire tower loop in Cook Forest State Park, so I'll show you some of that. Actually went to the Leaper Flea Market first thing, picked up a couple little things. I didn't find anything too good, but I'll show you those here in a minute. I just made a coffee. We just got back a little bit. I opened the hatch here, so I'm going to relax a little bit. It's pretty windy today, but it's very nice. But yeah, I gotta cut the grass. It's knee high at least, and I think I'm gonna burn some brush, do a little bit of spring cleanup in the yard here. Maybe cook a little mountain pie burger for lunch or dinner. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you haven't watched any of my videos yet, take a look. I'll do a tour of the cabin and show you a little bit more detail of the cabin. And for those of you that have been watching, I know I mentioned about doing an addition here, so I still am planning on doing an addition. I think I'm going to get started in the next couple weeks here. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, thanks for watching and enjoy.
Got one. Nice. No rainbow. No rainbow trout.
Got another one. Get stuck in some trees here. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm snagged on this tree.
Stay up here. Here we go. I got it. Come here. So the brown trout. Nice little brown. I'll give this little hole a try and then we're gonna head out. No luck down here at this hole, but I'm gonna pack up, get headed back to the cabin, get some work done. You mad at me for tying you up? Can't be running around. Must have been a big old buck around here last fall. There's like a nice buck rub. What are you eating? All right, you ready? Let's go. I'm gonna get packed up. It feels good to be back at the cabin, that's for sure. Hey, S'mores. S'mores. You like it here? She was going crazy this morning when we were fishing. She just wants to be in the water. And I try to let her, or I try to keep her out of the water, but it's tough to do. There's my new coffee mug. Pretty fancy. Here, I'll show you what I got at the flea market. This is just an old pamphlet from Oil Creek State Park. This is an older one, these blue ones. I think I had a bunch of these when I was growing up. So these might be like from the 80s or 90s. Just a map of the state park. Looks like somebody wrote turkey farm. Yeah, so Oil Creek State Park's not too far from here. Maybe, I think it's a half hour. I got this little old Jeep Cherokee, maybe? Old one, or Wagoneer. Little matchbox. Got this old Kinzu Dam patch. Kinzu Dam's a little bit north of the cabin, up in Allegheny National Forest, not too far away. All right, so I got this this hunter seat. Actually, it has a dove on it. I got this for dove hunting, so I can fill it up with whatever ammo and my little dove decoys. And then I can use it for a seat. It has a little carry handle. Pretty slick. And the last thing I got is this old bait canteen for worms. And this just reminded me of growing up again. We had one of these at camp when we were, I don't know, little kids. But this one doesn't have any worm guts in it. It's brand new. Never used. Still has the paperwork, and it still has the moss, whatever this is. Yeah, I thought that was pretty neat to have here at the cabin. I don't know, maybe store something in there. A few cool things there at the Leaper Flea Market. Here's another thing I got this week. I brought up to read at the cabin. The new Field and Stream. This is the first issue since they brought it back. So I'm looking forward to opening this up and checking it out. I'm in the club. Brian Kirby is the artist. Nice. So I definitely need an addition so I can have a magazine rack. Alright, I got it all mowed up. All stuffed up, my allergies are kicking. Looking pretty good. Come. Hopefully this will dry out. It was a little bit swampy because I think the grass was so high. I raked some of the leaves, but then I tired out. But I raked most of the leaves around the fire pit. But I'll finish up some other day. Get these leaves raked. Come here. Come. Achoo! What are you eating? Achoo! Hey, what you eating? Achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! Yeah, looking better. All right, I'm gonna get a fire going. I don't think I'm gonna burn any brush today, but I do think I'm gonna get a fire going and cook a burger. Here's my Christmas tree I was gonna burn, but I don't have anything to cut that plastic base off. So I'll get it next time. Getting ready to make a fire here, but we got distracted. Gimme. Let go. Come on. Wait. Hey, ready? Gimme. Gimme that. One more. Okay. That's not your dinner. Alright, that's enough. No more. I'm gonna enjoy the convertible roof while I can before I put the addition on, and then I don't have it anymore. Probably should have left it down. Every time I use it, I'm like wondering if I'm making the right decision. This is pretty sweet. Sounds of nature, and then the sounds of my neighbor cutting the grass off and on all day long. Take the good with the bad. Here we go. I got the fire going. I cheated. I had fire starters. So I'm gonna let, there's a bunch of leaves in there, I'm gonna let burn down and burn a little bit of brush here, and then I'll throw some heavier logs on there. But yeah, I've had this pile of brush keeps growing and growing, and then I burn a bunch and then it grows some more. But I'm gonna try to burn this down this summer, and then take those blocks out of here, and then this will be a nice part of the yard. Originally, I kind of, when I built this fire pit, was really a temporary spot. I might actually move it over here once I get rid of some of these, get rid of this pile and these blocks here, but we'll see. Because I kind of drive through here, so that's the driveway sort of, and it gets pretty close, so I may move that at some point. I was gonna put it right over there in front of the cabin, but I didn't want smoke when I have that roof section open. The smoke goes in there, which isn't a huge deal, but I didn't want to catch the cabin on fire if some embers go in there. This will do for now. Looking for a stick to eat. Throw a couple bigger logs on there. I'll save those smaller ones and keep this bad. See if those catch. Ha ha ha, gotcha, gotcha. All right, I'm gonna go get my food ready. Actually, I'm gonna move some of this around and get my little whatever that is, that little rack over there. Yikes. Alright, let's see if this works. I have a little cast iron, like a little baby Dutch oven that I usually cook like some baked beans. And sometimes I even will set my mountain pie maker on there. Alright. Alright, so I'm making, well, I call them mountain pie burgers because I use a mountain pie burger maker, which really isn't a mountain pie, but the same company that makes the mountain pie makers makes this. Basically a pie iron that has these slots in it so the grease drips out. Hopefully you can see that. Well, what I do is first I spray this with some Pam, and then well, you'll see in a minute. Here's my baby Dutch oven, or I forget what they call these. There's a name for them, but it's enough for like 1 serving or 2 servings of baked beans. Alright, I'm gonna spray these with Pam. I just get a couple of slices of bacon, and I get a burger, pack it in there, wrap the burger in bacon. There you go. Squash it in there. It's ready for the fire. Fire is probably not big enough. I'm going to set this here for now. Get the fire going a little bit better. Get this under here. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to move it over this way. Perfect. Nice and smoky. Alright, that'll take a little while because my fire's not the best. I'm gonna go get the beans ready. Got some Bush's beans. See the grease dripping out of there. I had to do some fire maintenance. It's still probably going to go out. I should have made sure the bigger stuff was lit before I got started cooking, but I got some smaller stuff in there that just caught. Maybe it'll get the bigger stuff going. Hear that bacon sizzling. I better move those beans or they're gonna boil over. I think we might be ready for the flip. Bacon's looking toasty. I'm gonna get this down a little bit closer. All right. Hi. All right, these beans are definitely done. I'm gonna take them over. All right. All right. Very, very crispy bacon. Should be perfect. All right. Of course, I got a pretzel bun. Man, hopefully this plops right out of there. Bacon stuck. There we go. Alright. This looks delicious. My go-to Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet and spicy. This will be controversial, but a little bit of moldy blue cheese. This used to be what I made my mom every year here at the cabin for her birthday. Bacon blue cheeseburger and some baked beans. Alright, this one's for you, Mom. Look at that. Well, that'll do it. I'm gonna go eat. Well, I just finished my burger, so I'm feeling pretty stuffed and happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and relax here a little bit. Probably gonna get cleaned up and make sure the fire's out, and probably get loaded up and head home late tonight. Or I might stay until early in the morning, leave bright and early, but either way I want to get packed up and loaded up tonight. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you all watching. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I have a bunch of other videos, and I have like a full cabin tour video. I go in a little bit more in detail on the cabin. So again, thank you all for watching, and I'm going to close this out with a tour of the Fire Tower Trail in Cook Forest State Park. We'll see you soon.